Meaning of Dimitri Tiomkin.
Dimitri Tiomkin.
Dimitri Tiomkin.
Dimitri Tiomkin.
Dimitri Tiomkin. Dimitri Tiomkin was a Russian-American film composer and conductor who lived from 1894 to 1979. He is known for his work on numerous Hollywood films, including It's a Wonderful Life, High Noon, and The Alamo, among others. Tiomkin won 4 Academy Awards for Best Original Score and 1 for Best Original Song in his career. His music often featured sweeping orchestration and memorable melodies that perfectly complemented the films they accompanied.